Assalamu alaikum everyone. I wish the whole of my LinkedIn family a very, very happy Eid Mubarak. May this occasion bring loads of happiness, joy, peace, healing, and contentment your way. On this occasion, I want to, as a mental health advocate and a psychologist, want to link the virtues of this day and what this Eid stands for. Really take a moment to reflect a little bit on it. Not to give you all a sermon, but just take a moment कि ये Eid जो हमारी है ये कितनी ज़्यादा value driven है और value aligned है. What it stands for is so incredible and so ingrained in science of generosity और giving back है. वो चाहे आप स्टडीज़ ले लें हार्वर्ड के एक्सपर्ट्स की या स्टैनफोर्ड के एक्सपर्ट्स की, सब यही कहते हैं कि गिविंग बैक, केयरिंग, कंपैशन फॉर अदर्स, एम्पैथी फॉर अदर्स, इट really transforms you in ways that you can't even imagine. ब्रेन की एक्टिविटी आपकी चेंज हो जाती है when you give back. अदरवाइज अगर हम अपने लिए कोई गिफ्ट लें तो हमें क्या होता है कि एक डोपामाइन सर्ज आ जाती है, हैप्पीनेस हो जाती है, बट दैट हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट वेरी सस्टेनेबल और हेडोनिस्टिक एडेप्टेशन हो जाती है. लेकिन एक्सपर्ट्स ये कहते हैं कि जब वी गिव बैक टू अदर्स and offer a gift, this occasion is all about giving back as well, right? Giving back to the community is a big part of this celebration. तो उसमें हमारी बॉडी में एक केमिकल रिलीज होता है जो कि जिसको ऑक्सीटोसिन बोलते हैं और उसके बहुत इनक्रेडिबल बेनिफिट्स हैं एंड द हैप्पीनेस दैट इट प्रोड्यूसेस इज मच मोर हीलिंग एंड इज मच मोर पावरफुल एंड सस्टेन्ड. Oxytocin is such an incredible chemical that it heals and protects and regenerates the cells in your heart. When oxytocin is released, it reduces the inflammation in your body. It raises your immunity levels. And another very interesting fact about giving is it's called the Mother Teresa effect. और ये होता है कि when even if you are seeing someone giving back or being kind and generous to someone, that also just the mere fact of witnessing an act of kindness and giving releases oxytocin. इसका अजर आपको इस दुनिया में ही खुदा दे देता है. आखिरत में तो आपको इसका अजर मिलेगा कि when you are caring and giving, right, and you're being kind and considerate about other people's needs, beyond yourself, you're expanding beyond yourself, right, and beyond your own needs and wants. This is the reward God is talking about, the oxytocin that you get. It is a reward इस दुनिया में ही for you. So just taking a moment कि साइंस कितना ज़्यादा बैक कर रही है ये सारी चीज़ें. In fact, right, giving back is so powerful that it's called the antidote for depression. जब हमारे पास patients आते हैं जो depression में होते हैं, we tell them give back to the community, become larger than your own pain. Of course, not invalidating your suffering and pain, but when you become larger than it, it heals you. I would also like to talk about bringing this value and a spirit of giving back in your workplace. So how can you give back, right, every day in little moments when you are in your workplace, just being more empathetic and kind towards your colleagues. If you're in a leadership position, leaders know that how critical empathy is for effective leadership, right? It's just not a soft skill, it is a life skill. Empathetic leaders drive productivity and sustain their top talent. So just in the workplace, just a mere, how are you doing? I'm there for you. Just noticing if someone is down, just checking in with them. If you can't do anything or solve their problem, just offering a mere compassionate presence and holding space for them, or just offering them a safe space where they can talk about their pain and suffering and just name it. This is all emotional intelligence की बात जब हम करते हैं, so सारी चीज़ें emotional intelligence में आ जाती हैं. और अब इतने सारे जो ट्रेनर्स हैं उनको कहते हैं कि इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस की ट्रेनिंग करते हैं. This is what emotional intelligence is. और emotional intelligence के भी कितने सारे benefits हैं, I'm sure all of you know. It's coming from an informed space, from a wise space, taking a moment to reflect, and what it's calling from all of us is just to make a positive change in people around you. People say कि हम खुद अपनी इतनी struggle में हैं, हम खुद survival level पे हैं, we are ourselves, thinking about how to make ends meet and how we can rise above to help others. So just thinking about कि छोटी छोटी तरह से ही हम खाली अपनी ये we can offer and be there for others is gonna go a long way in improving your health. Thank you so much for listening, and once again, a very happy, joyous and healing Eid to all of you.